Hi, today I'd like to show you the Core by Eric Clapton. I'm tuned to open E, E, B, E. I'll play the parts for you and then explain what's going on. So lick 1 is 3 hammer 5 on the middle string. Low string open, middle and high string twice, and I'm using an upstroke with my first finger. Like that. Then low string open, middle and high string, and then go to an A chord, 5-5-5. Put those two together for you. If you see my hand coming down here, that's just to mute. When you're playing the song up to speed, you probably don't need to do that. Like that. Because things are going faster. Okay, the next part of that lick, 3 hammer to 5 again, 2 upstrokes on the middle and high string. Then there's a riff, and that riff is 3, 2, 5, and that's a pull-off. And then I substitute my first finger for my little finger and go 5, hammer 7 to 3 on the middle string. So that's 3 on the middle string, pull off, to 2, 5 on the low string, substitute my first finger, 5, hammer 7 on the low string, 3 on the middle. And at this point the band is actually playing a D chord, that's D, and then an A chord, and then back to E. They're going. They're going. Like that, just in case you wanted to know. So here's the whole lick slowly. And here it is quicker. And that's easily the hardest part of the song. The next part of the song, we go up here, play an E chord like this, then it's E, up, down, and B, 7, 7, 7. And that E was 7, 9, 12. Then B, 7, 7, 7. And then up, down, but with a different feel. So it's like, that's the feel on the E, and then the B. Like that. So the first up down is quick, the second one is slower. Then we move down 2 frets, which would make it D and A. And we go back up, do that again. D and A again. One more time. One more time on the D and A. And now we do the D and A 2 more times. We go go to B. Stopping on the 1 there. So I'll play that for you. Like that. And then there's the last tricky lick. And that lick is open on the middle, hammer to 2, open on the high, 2 on the middle, open, and then 7 on the high string, 5, 4, and the first time you go to an A chord. And the second time you do it again, and the second time you go to an E chord. And the timing is a little tricky. First of all, I'll play it slow. Now I'm going to speed it up a bit. Hopefully you heard me count there. The lick starts after a 1. Right after. 2, 3, 4, 1. Like that. 3, 4, 1. That's really, really important, actually, because otherwise if you start this on the 1, the lick just never, ever works. Maybe if you're playing by yourself you could get away with it, but if you try to play it with the record or with other people, it's a disaster. So that's the secret. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then when it's time to get back into the song, you just, instead of going to the E chord, you just go to the lick. And all I'm using today is Cigar box guitar I'm always using. It has a little square pickup underneath the wood here, and I'm using the Vox actually, set on clean. And that's it. I think I turned the treble down a little bit. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Cool it. Have a great day. Bye.